Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of real-time web animations with React and CSS keyframes. If you're looking to create engaging and interactive web applications, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how React, a powerful JavaScript library, combined with CSS keyframes, can bring your web applications to life with dynamic animations. Understanding these concepts is crucial for modern web development, as they enhance user interaction and make your applications stand out. Imagine a website where elements respond instantly to user actions, creating a seamless experience. That's the power of real-time animations. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We provide ongoing, high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in web development. Let's get started. To truly grasp the potential of real-time web animations, let's break down the key concepts. React is a declarative, component-based library that excels in creating complex user interfaces. It uses a virtual DOM to efficiently update the UI, making it perfect for real-time applications where performance is key. Now, when it comes to animations, CSS keyframes allow you to define styles at various points in an animation sequence, giving you precise control over transitions and transformations. This is crucial for creating smooth and visually appealing animations. Real-time animations respond instantaneously to user interactions like clicks or hovers. They provide immediate feedback, enhancing user engagement. Think about how a button changes color or shape when hovered over. That's a real-time animation at work. In practical applications, these animations are used in interactive interfaces to guide user actions, in data visualizations to dynamically represent changes, and even in gaming to enhance storytelling. However, challenges like performance optimization, cross-browser compatibility, and complex state management must be addressed. React's state management tools can help, but they add complexity. In today's web development landscape, mastering real-time animations is a valuable skill, contributing to the creation of visually appealing and accessible applications. Let's dive into a practical example of building real-time web animations with React and CSS keyframes. We'll explore the app.js file where the magic happens. In this file, we define a simple React component that includes a button to toggle an animation. When the button is clicked, it updates the state, triggering an animation on a box element. We use a CSS class to apply keyframe animations, moving the box up and down smoothly. The CSS keyframes are defined in app.css, specifying the animation's behavior. This example demonstrates how React and CSS work together to create interactive animations. As you follow along, you'll see how easy it is to implement such features in your own projects. Feel free to experiment with the code and add your own creative twists. The full code is available in the comments, and we encourage you to share your modifications with us. Now, let's see the animation in action. Imagine visiting a web page where a header welcomes you with the text, "Real-time web animations with React." Below it, a button labeled "Start Animation" waits for your interaction. As you click the button, a box starts moving up and down smoothly, providing instant feedback that an action has occurred. This real-time response is the essence of interactive web design. You can click the button again to stop the animation, demonstrating how state changes in React control the animation's behavior. This seamless interaction is what makes web applications engaging and user-friendly. Such animations not only enhance the visual appeal, but also guide users intuitively through the interface. In conclusion, building real-time web animations with React and CSS keyframes opens up a world of possibilities for creating engaging and interactive applications. By integrating these techniques, you can enhance user interaction, making your web applications more dynamic and responsive. As you continue learning and experimenting, you'll find countless ways to apply these skills in real-world scenarios. Whether it's improving user interfaces, visualizing data, or creating immersive experiences, real-time animations have a significant impact. Remember, subscribing to our channel will accelerate your learning curve, providing you with practical, real-world examples that you can use immediately in your projects. Stay tuned for more tutorials and keep pushing the boundaries of web development.